Germany airport. Germany airport. Oh my god. Never gonna believe what happened. Speak to the supervisor, speak to the manager. Nothing. The guy's touching me up like crazy. Pure harassment. Pure harassment.
And now you're leaving this area, okay. Where's your gate?
You don't need to push me.
Where's your gate?
Look, he's pushing me.
Your gate?
He's pushing me. You don't need to push me. I will go to the gate. You don't need to push me. You're on life. You can't touch me. You can't touch me.
I can touch you. And you go this
Stop
way.
pushing
Okay?
me. Stop pushing me.
Go to your gate.
Look, he's pushing me.
Go to your gate.
You don't need to grab me. Leave me alone. This is you're on Instagram Live.
Yeah, I don't care.
You're pushing me. The way you get treated is ridiculous. You see all that, guys? Unbelievable.